Hey there, I'm Isabel, and today we will be putting in new door cards, pulling out the dents, and maybe even some new OEM mirrors. Stop!
All right, so this is the device that we found. We found it on Amazon. You glue it on and you pull it. It's basically a little bit more elaborate dent puller. But with this, we need to be careful because this is bent outwards, that this goes this way rather than just straight out. And hopefully the gap will be correct when we're done with it, or at least close enough so we can eventually paint the car one day. All right, so this is how it works. It comes with a few different pieces that we found. And basically, like those little ones that you use to pull the little dents for your dentless removal, this covers a much bigger area. So what we're gonna do is start maybe with this and start to get this straightened out. And then what happens is you put this in here, and then you probably have something that puts some pressure on it to pull, so to get this out. Now, it probably will damage your paint, which is all right because we're gonna repaint this. And we just want to get it close enough where we can bondo it and then paint it so it looks really nice. So let's see what we can do. Oh, that was a big one. Whoa. So we had to abandon the dent pulling because we ran out of glue sticks. So I jumped on Amazon and got some more glue sticks, the black ones. So they should be pretty solid in regards to grip to get this pulled. The thing is, there's a crease, there's a body line right there, and it's very hard. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to pull it out completely, but there's only one way to find out. Let's go and try it. This line is starting to get straight. Still a crease there. Seems like that little bit's taking the longest. Oh man, this has been seriously kicking my butt. I'm out of glue sticks, my fingertips are burned, and I'm just beat. But to get this project going, we're gonna move on to the door cards and the mirrors, so let's get to it.
Oh, that is my rust bucket right there.
There you go. And now your mirror, put it to the right, and oh, it works! How cool is that? You know what? It actually looks cool with a black one. Let's see. Let's open it up. Let's see what they look like.
Oh, it's so like stale.
Well,
I like that.
you can wrap it in whatever you want. Oh, look, they have the cutouts for the speakers, so we need to find the correct cutouts. We need to figure out if we're gonna put something on it. What do you think, Isabel?
When do we have to figure it out?
Whenever you want. Okay. I'm not perfectly happy with it. It needs something on it.
And now, the other side real quick. Well, the car is slowly but surely coming together. We have the dent almost pulled out. We fixed the carpet in the back. We put in new mirrors and we have the new door cards. We just need your guys' help deciding what color to paint the mirrors. Well, until next time.